Good morning, everyone. Do you know what we are celebrating this week? We are celebrating Environment Week from 22nd of April. Do you remember what was there on 22nd of April? It was Earth Day. Since then, we are celebrating one or the other day. Okay, you remember first day we celebrated Save Water Day, right? And second day we celebrated Disinfecting Day. On Save Water Day, you learn how to save water, many various ways to save water, and you made a picture also. Remember, you made a drawing related to that. Then second day you learned how to make a disinfectant, a natural disinfectant using a very natural product, that is alum. Okay, and on third day you learned how to save environment by not using plastic. By not using plastic, you remember yesterday only we learned that we should say no to plastic. We should avoid using plastic. Today we are going to learn how and why to save environment. Do you know why trees are important to us? Can you see the greenery everywhere? Can you hear the chirping of birds? Can you hear that, children? Wow, you can, and you like that, right? When you go to park, you enjoy. Why you want to go to park? Can anyone tell me the reason? Because plants are everywhere there. You enjoy the greenery, flowers, tall trees, birds, squirrels. You all love them, right? So what efforts you are doing to save environment? Do you know plants are very important for us? Plants give us many things. It is of vital importance in our life. Plants, they give us many things. First is fruits, which is fruits, veggies, your food, not only for human beings but for birds and other animals also. Plants give us other essential things like cotton, from which we make clothes. Trees gives us not only the most essential thing, that is food and clothes, but also timber. It is good for timber industries. Paper we get from plants, we get from trees, we get rubber from trees, we get spices, oil, many things you are getting from trees. But the most important thing that you get from trees, can anyone tell me? Think about it. Yes, we get oxygen. We get oxygen from trees. It purifies the air. It absorbs trees. It means I'm talking about trees. Trees absorbs all those toxic gases and pollutants from the environment, most of the toxic things from the environment, and gives you the most essential thing to live on this planet Earth, that is oxygen. Do you know the fact that one tree produces enough oxygen to fulfill the requirement of at least 4 people? Did you know that before? One tree gives oxygen for 4 people. So this is very important to save trees for the survival, for our survival, not only our survival, for birds, for animals, for everyone, every living thing in this world. Children, you should plant trees, as we are continuously asking you to not only plant trees but also take care of them. You don't leave the plants like that. Just plant them and water them every day. Take care of them every day. That is how you will be able to save our environment. Now we are going to attach a link with this video where you will learn how to grow very simple herbs in your kitchen. Children, herbs are very important. See, trees also have medicinal values. Medicines, they are also used for medicines, making medicines. So children, here are few ways to grow simple herbs like coriander. You can grow in your kitchen. You can use basils. You can grow fenugreek. Do you know what we call fenugreek in Hindi? Fenugreek, we call it methi. So you can grow that in your own kitchen. Children, watch the link carefully and grow few of them. Okay, try to grow them in your kitchen. You don't require a big space or a big pots for growing these herbs. You just require simple pots. You can reuse plastic bottles. You can reuse plastic bottles to grow these plants. So children, I request you all to grow these plants. Click the picture step by step when you grow it, when they sprout, when small plant is there, and then when it grows. It takes almost 10 to 12 or maximum 15 days to grow these plants. So children, click the pictures, make a collage and share it in your respective groups. Hope you have learnt lot many things and about the environment today, and you will save trees. You will save them religiously. Okay children, bye.